stayed out late last night, kind of networking and syncing up with some new friends, and we were all over town, man. We were all over the place yesterday, and but I got to ride with some really cool people, and by syncing up with those cool people, I found someone else who needs a little bit of help with their motorcycle. One of the people I ride with, Lexi, her husband's bike, it needs just a little bit of TLC, so I've offered to come out to Derby to kind of take a look at it. So apparently one of his bolts sheared off for his suspension. I don't know how you do that one. I'm super interested to hear the story of how this happened. But what we're going to do is we're going to use my drill. I've got some hardened, I think they're carbide, no, they're cobalt drill bits that we're going to drill a hole into the bolt with, and then use one of my extractor bits again and see if we can fish it out of there. And if we can, I think he's got a replacement bolt on its way in. We just need to extract the sheared off one, put the replacement in, and be on our way.
The very next evening.
It's 96?
Yeah.
And it's this well kept?
Yeah.
Then keep keeping it the way you've keeping it. I'm out here with Anthony. We're gonna take a look at, what is this, Anthony? It's a Harley Davidson, but what is it? Softail.
Springer.
And Springer?
It's got the Springer front end.
Springer. Oh, because the front end is springy. Oh, of course, yeah. Anyways, poor Anthony's got a bolt that's broken and it's underneath and it's in an impossible place to get to. This is what I do. So anyways, this bolt out here has brought me to the crossroads where I have to make new friends. We're gonna go ahead and drill basically a hole into that bolt with these hardened cobalt drill bits. Probably end up using this size, smaller size to start, maybe this size, if I can get my drill to grab and if we can actually get in there, because that bolt's not gonna go into that tiny area, but that shoddy extension may or may not make magic happen. And then we're gonna use my extractor bits, which are hiding out over here, which you guys remember from Phil's video. I don't know if I can get in there with this drill bit. So where's your nearest Oreilly's, AutoZone, whatever? I need to get my bearings and get some juices flowing in my brain.
Oreilly's will be
Autos
right up here.
by the McDonald's and whatnot. Right. That's all on my way in.
Right.
Okay. Why is this twisted?
I have no clue.
Is it because it retracted?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. This is where our journey begins. You want a field trip with me?
Sure.
To Oreilly's?
Yep.
And I don't have an extension, but I would love to have an extension, so I will buy an extension. After you, my friend. Hey.
What's up?
Not much. Can I bug you for a little bit?
Sure.
Can we hang out? We'll hang out with Trisha. Trisha seems cool. Trisha, I need your help. I need your big brain, Trisha. I need a way to... He's got a bolt that sheared off, okay, on his motorcycle. Yeah. It wasn't his fault. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna stick to that. That's a story, and we're sticking to it. I've got these hardened cobalt drill bits, and I have a drill, but unfortunately, it's in a really bad spot to get to. I have no way to grab this with any of the extensions I own.
So you need
I need something to
adapter, so to speak.
Hello. From a drill. Yeah. So, what do you think? What are you thinking? All right. Follow the Trisha. You mind if I cut through, boys? Thank you. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay. Do you have any drill bit kits or anything that? I mean, I need like a half foot to a foot reach. Yeah.
No.
Nope. I'm asking for miracles.
Yes.
I'm asking
just
for
a small smidgen. I like racking people's brains.
This is also part of the fun of me doing it.
Racking brains.
Yeah, man. It gets we haven't been challenged like this since high school.
Right.
Like, come on, man.
Yeah.
It 100% is going to be. Is there another tool aisle?
Lowe's, which is possible.
How late is the Lowe's open in town?
9.
Want to try Lowe's?
Yeah,
Let's go bug somebody at Lowe's. All right, so Ace Hardware is still open. Hey, how late are you guys open? Oh shoot, what time is it now? 7:14. So I better, okay, I got time. All right, I was like, so I better just turn around and walk out then. Cool, I appreciate it. Right, are there any more of you running around that I can bug that aren't busy? Because you look busy.
I got time.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I got
like you close at 8 and you got all these floors to clean. Like, who am I to come bug you? So check it out, man. I'm trying to help out my buddy Anthony here, and I need to use this, but I need some sort of extension that lets me use this because the hole that I need to make is about a foot away from where my drill can reach. Damn.
That's it.
So close, but so far.
See it so far.
Yep. All right. Well, it was worth a shot, my friend. I appreciate your time. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you, Logan.
You guys get something else somewhere else.
Yes. Fair enough. That's what I imagined.
Yeah.
Who's got that?
Lowe's. But it says it's in Dallas. Let me switch to the store here. Because I'm not in Dallas. I don't plan on making
No, sorry, man.
You said you'd take us where we needed to
You
go.
see, yeah, you seem really nice and all, but not on a school night.
A school night.
It'd be funny. My girl would be like, "You're going where? You're doing what?" Babe, it's only 8 hours. Dallas. I'll just throw you the keys. Start her up. Sir, are you extremely busy? Could I bug you maybe for like 5 minutes?
Yeah.
5 minutes of your time. Well, you could have said no. You could have said no. It would have been fine. I need something for my drill that extends this reach about half a foot. I'd take half a foot.
Half a foot?
I'd take well, that's a whole foot, if not 2. But
come on.
do you have? Oh, I like this guy. He's about business. We're not rushing you, and this isn't a pop quiz. I promise. I'm just looking for a solution here at 7 p.m. But they're hex. Oh, yes. Okay. And is it cobalt or hardened or it's titanium? Okay.
I'm just going plain American one. There's this one. There's a short one here if you don't want that one.
Okay.
You can put the drill bit in this.
Yep.
And put it in the drill.
Yep. Oh shit, we should have brought the extractor bits because then we'd know what size we need to buy.
What are you looking for? Oh, scratch.
Yep. Easy outs, extractors, whatever the heck they're called. That's basically the exact same kit I have. Taped for a... Oh, I sent you a picture. Yes. I need that shit. I need... Hang out there. Do you have a cell phone? Pull out that picture I sent you. So I want to pick up extended bits. Keep that. Okay. And I want this. I'm going to keep this. Now the juices are flowing. When I go through these scenarios and I run into situations where it's not something that I readily have tools available to fix, I just start acquiring more tools because I'm going to run into that issue where I need that shit.
Right.
So I'm more than happy to buy. You will be the second in a month who needed extracted bolts extracted. So 9, are you still open? Yeah. Cool. I didn't want to do self-checkout because I walked into the store with this. Cool. I appreciate your help. Thank you. Oh yeah, we got what we need. And I found out that Milwaukee is not sold at Lowe's because they have partnerships and deals with Cobalt and DeWalt. It was a nincompoop. They didn't have it very tight. And either it broke.
Yeah.
You ever break a piece of spaghetti and it always breaks into 3 pieces?
Right, yeah.
Either it broke like that or we're not going to have a very hard time. Extractor bits.
Right there.
Hey, there's your bolt. You saw it, right?
I see it.
I'm not crazy?
It looked like it came out, yeah.
No, it's fucking gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to meet the... I want it. It's like a souvenir to me. There's no way that just happened.
Oh, it's right here.
You found it?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah. No lock.
No Loctite. Nothing. Nothing on this fucking bolt.
Wow.
Camera can see 360 all
Oh,
around.
okay.
So that's why it's got 2 lenses.
Oh, okay.
There's no fucking Loctite or no shit on this bolt.
Wow.
So where's the rest of the bolt? Where's your bags?
It's on the in the road somewhere, wherever it
No,
broke.
that's not my question.
Oh, okay.
So much.
And there's no there was no washer with it.
no
either.
washer. I don't think these need washers. Oh.
There's washers in there. Yeah.
No. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So no washers.
Well, the washer would have came off when it broke, I guess.
Okay. What's the? Yeah.
Wow.
Look what happened.
Yeah.
So the bolt backed itself out. Some asshole didn't put Loctite on it. We're not going to name names, bash anybody or anything. But that section of your bolt is not designed to take any sort of weight.
Right, that's what this part's for.
Yep, yes, that's why this bitch is big, and this one's a little skinny, tiny chicken leg. So I do want to show the camera, let it adjust, let my eyes adjust. There's a section of the bolt that's missing, and this is designed to take weight. The second it backed out, it sheared off. This is asinine. This is why you need to use proper factory spec when you torque bolts down. This is why you must use Loctite so your bolts don't back out. Phenomenal. Let's get you your new bolt put in. I might take this down to one of my machinists and turn it into a damn gremlin belt for you or something.
I'm surprised you can't get the socket in through right here.
I tried
Yeah.
the swivel would not.
Of course.
Bolt is out. You got bolts. Oh, for my hands?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. I've got a whole package of them.
Just a little bit of blood, not too bad. I'm trying to think of what tools do I want to leave here, that way I have access to them when I need them. Nope. This I'll leave. This cheater bar I'll leave.
The next day.
Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning.
Later that night.
All right, Jesse, you're gonna have to take the lead on this one because I know it's an Andover, but what it is? Oh, that's why I got home so fast that night. That's right. Yeah, I just follow him around. I just flow through life. What is it? Cammed? Sounds good. Ah, yeah, yep. It sounded like it was cammed almost. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He almost died. Hey, you got it. I'll take this one on the end. I tell you, that thing. Give me one of those. Oh yeah. To roll in a pot wind and pick up all the honeys. No, I do need to take my camera off though.
A few moments later.
Holy shit.
They're long.
Yeah.